Welcome to our channel, your trusted guide for honest and in-depth product reviews. Here, we test and analyze the latest gadgets, tools, and everyday essentials to help you make informed decisions. Expect clear insights, pros and cons, and expert opinions tailored to your needs. Subscribe now and join us on the journey to smarter shopping. Best Camping Toilets Reviews. Number 1. YSR Portable. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, or any outdoor activity. This all-in-one privacy tent setup offers a reliable solution for your personal needs on the go. It serves as a portable outdoor toilet, shower enclosure, or changing room, providing complete privacy with its silver-lined interior that blocks light and ensures discretion. Designed for convenience, it pops up instantly, no assembly required, and folds back into a compact 21.5-inch round backpack for easy transport. Despite its lightweight design, the structure is extremely stable, supported by durable windproof ropes and grounding nails that help it stand firm even in strong winds. The included folding toilet seat is both sturdy and space-saving, supporting up to 400 pounds with no installation needed. The tent also features a topside mesh window for improved ventilation, creating a breathable and comfortable environment while still protecting your privacy. Constructed from silver-plated Oxford fabric, it also provides 60 to 70% UV protection for added safety. The full kit includes a pop-up privacy tent, foldable toilet seat, 12 toilet bags, and 12 liquid waste gel packs. For peace of mind, a 3-month satisfaction guarantee ensures responsive after-sales support if any issues arise. Number 2. Katy Camping. Designed with comfort and practicality in mind, this upgraded portable toilet is ideal for outdoor adventures, long road trips, or emergency situations. Unlike standard models that stand just 11 inches tall, this version is 16.1 inches high, making it 40% taller and far more comfortable for adults and families. The patented design features a sturdy density board frame wrapped in soft, high-quality leather that's skin-friendly and far more comfortable than cold plastic alternatives. 2 side handles make it easy to move, and a large storage pocket adds convenient space for essentials like your phone. With its compact folding size of just 3.15 by 15 by 11.8 inches, it fits neatly into the included waterproof storage bag, making it easy to carry in a car, backpack, or luggage. Setup takes just seconds. Simply unfold and insert a trash bag, compatible with 6 to 8 gallon liners. It's a practical, hygienic alternative to makeshift outdoor toilets, especially for kids and older adults. This multifunctional unit also doubles as a storage box, trash can, small table, or stool. Each package includes the portable toilet with handles, carrying bag, manual, and 2 custom trash bags. Number 3. Sckee Toilet. Built for rugged outdoor use, this heavy-duty portable toilet combines strength, comfort, and convenience in one compact design. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, it supports up to 450 pounds and features a contoured, ergonomic seat with 12-inch extra-long seat holes, 20% longer than standard models, to ensure a comfortable fit for all body types without the uncomfortable thigh pinch. When folded, it measures just 14.1 inches by 12.6 inches by 2.7 inches and weighs only 4.5 pounds, smaller than a standard backpack, making it perfect for car travel, camping, hiking, RVs, van life, or emergency use. A stain-resistant and odor-proof design allows for easy cleaning, and the stay-up lid adds a touch of home comfort. It also includes a roll of waste bags and bio-gel to simplify cleanup by solidifying liquid waste. Smart features like a built-in tray for your phone, flashlight, or wipes and a universal toilet paper holder ensure hands-free convenience, even at night or in tough terrain. From rocky trails to snowy campsites, it stays stable and ready. The set includes the toilet, detachable phone tray, TP holder, waste bags, poo gel, storage bag, and instructions, plus lifetime customer support for added peace of mind. Number 4. TRIPTIPS Adjustable. Engineered for versatility and comfort, this innovative portable toilet features an adjustable height design to suit everyone in the family, from kids to seniors. Thanks to a unique fish scale structure, it extends smoothly in 8 steps from just 3.2 inches up to 13 inches, allowing users to find their perfect height for any situation. Whether you're camping, stuck in a traffic jam, or on a long road trip, this compact solution ensures a clean and comfortable restroom experience wherever you are. It's incredibly easy to use. Just pull and twist to open, lock the buckles into place, and it's ready. When you're done, simply twist and press it back into a compact disc shape that weighs only 2.75 pounds. Ideal for tossing in a backpack, suitcase, or car trunk. Built from upgraded ABS plastic with 70 reinforced buckles and non-slip bases. It offers outstanding durability and supports up to 380 pounds. The multifunctional design lets it double as a stool, side table, trash bin, or storage box. Each set includes the foldable toilet, waterproof carry bag, 10 disposable toilet bags, and a user manual, plus lifetime customer service for total peace of mind. Number 5. Eioehtl Removable. Designed to deliver the comfort of home wherever you go, this upgraded foldable portable toilet features a newly elongated 12-inch bucket seat that offers a more natural, relaxed sitting experience. Its wider and higher design makes it ideal for both men and women, ensuring comfort and ease for users of all sizes. Built from premium ABS plastic, it weighs just 4.8 pounds but supports up to 450 to 500 pounds, offering exceptional strength and stability for both adults and kids. Practical features like a detachable phone shelf and a built-in toilet paper holder enhance the user experience, keeping essentials within reach whether you're on the road or at a remote campsite. Assembly is quick and simple, just 30 to 60 seconds, and it folds down easily for compact storage. It includes biodegradable waste bags that break down naturally within 180 days, supporting eco-friendly disposal. A waterproof storage bag makes transport effortless, whether in your car, luggage, or backpack. With its multifunctional design, it also serves as a stool, trash can, or even a vomit bucket. Perfect for camping, fishing, boating, construction sites, road trips, or any emergency situation where a clean and reliable solution is needed. If you enjoy this video, like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more interesting videos like this.